We're going to start out with a simple question in this video. And am I confident in my lineup? I don't really know because I have one of the feeling that like I'm going to show you this and I'm going to change everything. Like February, it got completely changed basically. There's not much still left of that lineup. I just like things happen. Kids come out, events happen, things change. So this is always a work in progress, a loose outline. So if you've never watched one of my kit lineups, I have 2 planners that I plan in. I really like stickers and they're relaxing to me. This right here is a B6 from Printpression. These are his sticker sleeves. I will leave those linked down below if I remember. All of the kits in here, I'm pretty sure are from, nope, I guess not. Not all from, we got some different ones. So I will link everyone I mentioned down below. But I just put these in here and put a little sticker that says March on here. And this is my March lineup. So the first one that I show you for each week is going to be for my filming planner. The next one is for my off-camera planner. So let's go ahead and get into it. So this I was really excited about because I feel like these colorways are really, really similar, which I feel like I did that in January too. Like the first week, the colors were similar and I am using like similar foils. So this week is Farm, and I just thought farm green feels like March. I'm programmed this way. I have not only the ultimate kit, but I also, I'm taking off my Apple Watch, just drives me crazy. I also have the label 2, the doodle, the fam, and then the other fam. But yeah, I'm obsessed with this. I think it is so cute. And then as for foil, I did pull out the confetti version 2 in lavender, not, oh my gosh, little matte bronze, matte silver. I thought that would go really well with it. And then I went ahead and got plaid 1 from Planet Hannah in matte bronze and matte silver. Haven't decided if I'm going to do any layering, like maybe layer matte silver bougie boxes, matte bronze bougie boxes. We will see. That'll be a game day decision, like I like to say. But like I said, first week of March, as of right now, I am using Farm. First week I'm counting as 4th to the 10th, and I also do sell these in my shop that have the weeks on them for labeling these as well, and then they just pull off and then I put a new one on there. For my off-camera planner, I am using the Farmer's Market kit, which was a mystery kit, and I am so excited for the combo that I have for this one. It's the same but different. So in here I just have a 15mm strip because I made one for myself because, or no, maybe it has an a la carte option, actually. I'm just kidding. So we have that. And then as far as foil goes, I do have another one of those confetti version 2 matte bronze, matte silver. But I thought it'd be fun to bring in something a little different. I think that this is in the color, ask me if you need to know. Olive, maybe? I don't know. Maybe not. But anyways, it's like a more matte, like muted green, but I thought layering these on top of the bougie boxes would be so fun to give this a little something different. It brings in those greens, and I think it's going to be really, really fun. I also got my custom multi. This is in like the typewriter font. I don't remember what number it is, but I got that also in the green color because I think it'd be fun to pull that in as well. Then for the next week, this is the week that Jessica J. Crew Plans is going to be coming to visit. So I went back and forth on a lot of different kits, but I ended up going with this one. This one here is the December mystery for 2023. So it is no longer in shop. Well, it's not in shop. And if you want to get it currently, you'd have to try like the Buy Sell Trade group. But I usually do, once a year has been up, I usually reformat them for the shop. So it'll be coming in December. Ugh, my brain. So I thought this would be perfect because me and Jessica, we love food. And I'm using hollow foil with it. I did bring out a foil bundle. I just brought out, it's I think sparkle in hollow. And then I brought out these checker underlays from my shop in hollow. And then I also just brought a bunch of the heart, or not heart, oh my god. This is like my 5th video I'm filming. I edited like 6 videos today. It's a video day and this is the last one. I'll try to just get it together. Okay. Flower, and then I think this is Lucky Charm, question mark. I just figure I'm going to pull a bunch of stuff in. I'm just like shopping my stash and like figuring it out with this one, but I think it's going to be really cute. And I haven't used this kit, so I was like, I probably would use it maybe in the summer, but I think it's perfect for when Jessica's here. And then for my off camera planner, I'm going to use the Pajama Party kit from Crest Press. I thought, again, that'd be cute for Jessica coming. And then I just have a Luxe foil bundle. I thought really went really well with that from my shop in Hollow. And then I'm going to switch out the underlays for the hearts because Jessica is like, love is everything to Jessica. And then I have heart 15 millimeter heart headers and full boxes to like throw in. And then I also have the heart font from Planet Hannah in my custom multi in Hollow to also put in there. So it's going to be like Luxe, heart, some like more basic ones to like kind of break it up a little bit. But I think that's going to be really cute for like the sleepover vibes for whenever Jessica is here. Then we're moving on to this week, which is the week before Chris's birthday. So Chris's birthday week, there's already 2 other things going on. So Boy's just getting, this week was supposed to be like his game night birthday, but then he's doing something this week. I think they're going to Italy or something. Is that this week? I don't really remember. So then we have to do his birthday game night the week after this week because we have Amanda's wedding on this week and it's a whole thing. So this is to Chris's birthday spreads, which are just things that I like anyways that I had, and I was like, we're going to use them because it makes sense. So his birthday is the 25th. It doesn't really work, but it's fine. Chris doesn't watch my videos, nor does he care. So this is Ye Old Fair, which I really like because we did go to the Forest Fair last year for his birthday, so I thought this would be really cute when it came out. Otherwise, I would just use it as like a random summer kit, but I think it's kind of cutie. Love it. Have all of the things. And then I had initially paired with it the butterfly bundle from my shop in Champagne Lights. And then I was like just trying to be extra, you know, so I got this burgundy, which I feel like is definitely darker than this color. Well, I feel like whenever you put overlays on top of it, which I don't know if I'm going to put these overlays because they're like very butterfly-y, but I might go in and get like shimmer like in my shop. I think I should have like other, let me just look what I have. Other bougies to put on top of it. To kind of break it up a smidge. But yeah, I don't know exactly what I want to do. Like something like this. I think I have 2 of those. So these work. Yeah, like these ones. These are the shimmer ones. I think I didn't use them in a bundle. And then put these over top of it. And it'll definitely tone down the color a little bit. That's kind of what happens when you put a bougie on top of a solid, is it kind of like tones it down a little bit, which I think then it'll match like pretty nicely with that, with the color of the kit. Plus you only see it like a little bit through the like stickers themselves anyways. So I think this is going to be a really cute combination. I thought I ordered my scripts in this color, but maybe I'm mistaken. I don't really know. Oh no, because this is my regular planner one. So I think I'm going to do burgundy scripts, possibly. I don't know. Then I have this kit I've been hoarding for a while from Odd Loop. I did make myself some like functionals for it. And then I'm just sticking pretty simple. And I have this looks like silver, but it might be hollow, but it might be something. Oh, this is like, it's kind of like a wavy hollow. It's kind of hard to see. Wavy hollow. Foil bundle from my shop in confetti version 2, and then I am going to pair it with these hollow checker, and then I also have from Hannah, it's like in the like 8-bit font, question mark. It's not like a font that she has, but it was like a font that she had as a font of the month. I think that'll be cute for my off-camera planner. I've been wanting to use that kit for a while. And then for the last week of March, which is actually Easter, which is kind of wild because I think this is like one of the first Easters since Theo's been born that it's not like on the same week or something, or maybe it was like it's either that week or on Reagan's birthday week, but it's not. So it's kind of fun and exciting. So I am using this kit, which I literally just filmed the new release video of like right now. And this is the Easter Day kit from Kit Chess. And I kind of had like a little bit of a crisis with what foil I wanted to use. I was thinking matte bronze would be cute. And then I was like, I don't know. I kind of wanted to pop a little bit more. The matte bronze was kind of blending with a lot of the brown. So I decided to go with the light rose. This is a foil bundle that came out recently. Confetti version 2. And I feel like it does match really nicely. And it's going to bring out all of those pinks. So I think that'll be kind of fun. It just came out, so I didn't like have time to like buy any other underlays for it. I still obviously could, but I don't really know what else I'd want to use with it, if I'm being honest with you. I think I kind of want to keep it simple. And then I do have like extras. So I have like the fams and the doodles. And then I also have some other things. I have some Once More with Love Easter sheets, and then I have some from my shop. So this is 436, 435, 432, 431. These ones will be nice, like matching wise. 409 and 437 to kind of throw in here. We don't do really anything special for Easter. We might probably do like a dinner and then Easter baskets for the kids, but other than that, it's just like a time to hang out with everybody, I guess. So that's that. And then also the same week as Easter, which I don't know why Amanda does, because like, can be busy. But we are going to be going to Amanda's reception. One of my BFFs got married. I was at her wedding, helping her out, doing all the things. And then she was having like a separate reception for like everyone. So, that being said, I have the December Mystery 2022. This was reformatted to, I think it was called like Garden Party or something. I just forgot to change the name on the side, if I'm being honest with you. So I have some like extras in here. And then, so Hannah was like, I think this would be good for Amanda's wedding. I was like, oh, great idea, blah, 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 blah. And then I was like, okay, I'm going to just design some extra boxes. So I took some stuff from Always, which is the wedding kit that was inspired by Hannah's wedding, which is so pretty. And I just like recolored them. So like this is supposed to be like Amanda. This is supposed to be, could be anybody who's blonde, but I'm thinking moi. Don't look like that, but here we are. So then the other thing is I have a rose gold foil. I feel like I already filmed this video. Like there's some part of me that feels like I did. Oh, I think I went over a lot of this in a vlog. I was like, why do I feel like I've been here before? All right, so I have rose gold here, right? But then I have like antique gold stuff from Hannah. So I'm not really sure. I feel like they go together enough that it doesn't really matter, but it might end up bothering me. Haven't decided yet, you know. So I made this box set. It's just their like logo and it says Amanda and Andy. Thought it was cute. And then I have the confetti version too in rose gold. I also have this wedding sheet from my shop in 856 is the number. And then I also have this one, which I think brings out some of the darker greens, which is the Botanical 2. And I believe this is Hunter Green. I think this with the like sparkles over top of it again would dull the green color a little bit and then brighten it. So I think that this could be really pretty with this situation. Hannah has a lot of different like florals in her shop. So I feel like I had lots of options, but I think this is going to be really cute. And obviously I won't just use these boxes. I'm probably also going to use like this situation and other things for her wedding as well. But also who knows? Who knows? Everything may change. I may change it all up. I may end up using the wedding one instead of the Easter one in my main plan. I don't really know. Because I feel like part of me is like Amanda's wedding is more important than Easter, but then I'm like Easter's just generally cute. I don't really know. I'm struggling a little bit with this one if you can't tell. But overall, I'm very excited for all these spreads because I think they're going to be all so stinking cute. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Give me a like, please. Subscribe if you're not already, and I will talk to y'all in my next video.